What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. Really quick video on this app, Coinout. Just getting paid to scan receipts. Any receipt, doesn't matter. Where the receipt is from, how much you spent, how you paid for it. Whatever receipt you get, just scan it on this app, and you will get paid. And I just wanted to make this video just to show you that there is no minimum cash out if you cash out with your bank or if you cash out with a gift card. If you choose PayPal, there is a $10 minimum that you have to get. But like I said, gift card and bank, doesn't matter how much you have. The first time I cashed out with a gift card, it was an Amazon gift card. I'm not sure if they have any other gift cards. I think it's really just Amazon. And I cashed out 48 cents. So, there really was no minimum. And I got the gift card in probably like 2 days. And now I'm cashing out with my bank. I got all my bank information in there. I connected to it, and $8.53 will be deposited into my bank account. It says within the 5 business days it'll be reviewed and received shortly after. But I think they sent me the same message for the gift card, and like I said, right after I cashed out, probably 2 days later, I got the money. So I just want to show you guys that there's no minimum for your bank. I actually reached out to support and they actually told me about it, so I just want to share this information with you guys. The link to this app is in the description. Again, it's called Coinout. All you have to do is scan receipts. That's it. As soon as you scan it, it'll credit you instantly for the receipt that you scanned. And, just continue to let your money pile up. And you see, I got $8.53 just scanning receipts. You know what I'm saying? It's just money that I was, basically going to throw away, because when you have receipts, you usually just throw them away after a period of time, usually like the same day, if not like right after you purchase something. And then sometimes, you get a receipt, you don't even want it because it's like you don't need it. But, for this app, I tell you guys, every receipt that you get, I don't care where it's from, get one, scan it on this app so you can get free money. Just scanning receipts, you're getting free money with it. Why not do it? You know what I'm saying? Like here, that's $8.53. It's not a lot, but it just continues to add up. And when you combine this with other ways to make money, all little ways, you can put them all together and they make big money. And that's why I made my channel Every Penny Counts, because you make pennies here and there, they add up to dollars very quickly. If you just follow my routine, follow my videos, follow my steps and tutorials showing you guys how to make money. So again, this app is really good. Just scan the receipts. The link is in the description. Click on it below. Sign up today and start getting paid for every receipt you receive. And always remember, every penny counts.